The website. Here's how it looks before. Our default categories that came with the theme. Refresh the screen. There we have it. There's our 250 by 250 ads. And we have our 160 by 600 ad that shows down below here. We still have our other widgets. Now right now they look pretty empty because of there's no categories uploaded that have posts in them yet other than the featured. As soon as we add content to the each of the categories that we uploaded in the previous steps, then we will have more categories listed here, all 5 of our categories, or however many categories we uploaded. If it's 3, then we have 3. If it's 7, it's 7. So, and recent posts, same thing here. And then comments when they show up on our blog posts that we will be entering. So, makes the blog look like it's an actual high traffic blog authority site that has advertisements going on the side here. If you want to go back, we want to randomize things. That's all we have to do is move these widgets around. We can move this advertisement up here, put the search width at the bottom if we want to, and then go back here and refresh the page, and as you can see, I have to refresh the screen again. Let's try this one more time. There we go. It randomizes it. So, there you have it. I just want to go over a few points again. We want to make sure that these sidebar widgets are always randomized, making sure each site doesn't have the same order of sidebar. We also want to use different size of ads. Sometimes we might have 200 by 200 ads here, and also in the second ET advertisement, we might have one ET advertisement widget. And then we also, we might only use the 160 by 600 advertisement, not the other square advertisements. There is one other thing we have to go over here so that you understand what to do. Out of the categories, there is one that needs to be configured other than the ET advertisement. It is the text widget. And what we're going to do for the text widget, as we see on our list, we have either authors or writers as the title. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back here and we're going to make the title authors. And then in the authors box, we are actually going to upload author images based upon the URL HTML code that represents that image. Unlike the ET advertisement image or sidebar widget, we can't just upload the file paths from our media center. So we're actually going to have to create HTML code for this. Now, to create the HTML code, we are going to have to insert the code in this format with image source equals file path end caret. That is the correct code for having an image displayed in HTML format. What we're going to do each time is just use this same file format, and we're going to insert our URLs to our author images that we upload into the media center. So just to give you an example of what to do here, we are going to go and upload some images. What we'll do is we'll go into media and add new again, select files, We're going to go back and we're going to look for file named headshot. And again, we have a large amount of headshot ads. These are specifically, we need to make sure these are randomized as much as possible. That's why there's more. So we want to use, again, somewhere between 3 and 7 author images. So this time we're just going to use 4 author images here. We're going to click open, and we're going to wait for all these to upload. And again, just like the advertisements, we're going to copy down all of URLs. There's the second one. Here's the third one. Here's the fourth one. We have all 4 file paths. We can go back and look at our image source code that we have as a default mold for the code that we're going to have to insert into the widget, for the text widget. So we'll go back to our widgets page and go under our text widget. And just because we didn't save it, I have to type it in again here for the title, authors. And then we're going to insert our code so we have something to work with 4 times. So from there, we are going to insert our file paths. There's 1. There's number 2. We're just replacing what was there previously. There's number 3. We got 1 more to go. There we go. We click save. There, and we're done. Minimize our window here, and we'll go back to our root website. And we will refresh the page. And there we have it. We have our authors widget, which shows our 4 different authors that we have for the blog. And just having text and images blended in together here on the sidebar makes everything look really nice. And again, we're not going to use authors every time. We're not going to use every widget every time. Out of that list, search recent posts, recent comments, categories, a text widget with either authors or writers, which will both have headshots in them, RSS or the ET advertisement. We'll be able to customize our sidebar to look different each time, and not allow people to see different websites that we own that look or seem like they have the same owner because the sidebars are similar. We want to randomize it and make it look legitimate to anybody who sees the website. So there you have it. That's how you set up the sidebar.